I'm making a... What's your problem? I want to make a video on how, not how, but somehow I have a half-broken tooth right here. I mean, insane. Like, I can feel it wiggling. Like, the front half is fine. It's solid as a rock. And at least I can wiggle it and everything. But I can feel it stuck to my gum, and it's irritating the shit out of me. Okay, videos online on how to do it and everything, but I don't have the tools or whatever to do it. I can look at it this way, and I can look at it this way. I can even do circles with it. But I can feel in the gum area it's stuck. I can even do it this way. I can either just like cut the gum a little bit and pull it out, but I don't really want to do that. So let's try it this way. Let's get some grip. Hopefully I grip the right part. Ow. Well. Oh. Rest. This is a lot hotter. Hello. Oh. I had it. I had a little grip on it. A little pull. Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to yank a tooth out of my mouth. Oh, I can feel it fucking ripping. Oh god, that hurt. I should just man the fuck up. I should really man the fuck up and just pull it. Can you give me a drink of water, please? And maybe some aspirin. What do you mean you're fucked? You're not trying to pull that tooth out with some pliers. Yeah, I should have got drunk. This would probably be much easier. A tooth. It's broken. Because dentist is expensive. Hang. Yeah, it's not even straight up my mouth anymore. It's like hanging there. God, that hurt.
Can you do it?
It's hanging there like on a little wedge. Can you give me a spit bucket? I don't know, give me a cup to spit in. I need to relax. recycling stuff out. Thank you. There's no blood yet, so that's always good. Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's like I like 1/4 of a tooth. Oh. Oh. Hard to get a grip. Ah. Did I get it? Ah. Oh. And like attached to a paper towel. It's like attached to a thread almost. Ah. Ah. Thank you. Well, I'm salivating out. Oh. 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 Can you see it just hanging there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You can like feel it like stuck in like it. A little bit of gum. Oh. 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 Hold on, try to pull out a tooth. Well, we have free healthcare in Canada, but it doesn't include the dentist. Ah. What? I took a shot of booze. I don't know. £200 on a what? Well, where did you go? Ah! 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 I'm gonna end up choking on this tooth. I am sorry, this is... I'm sorry this is taking so long. I had this for like 8 minutes now. Oh! No. Did I get it? Oh, I got it, I got it. Ew, that's gross. Look, I did it. I done it. That little tiny kernel of tooth was causing me the irritation. Oh, it's a beauty. Yeah, I got out. You can put it in the sink now. I didn't get it inside. Okay, so coming to my assistant Jamie, I got like a chunk of tooth. Look at that. It's like a regular tooth, but like 1/4. Oh man, it feels so much better. So I'm gonna call this home dentistry. And like it's not like thick, it's just like a one piece type of deal. Oh, so it's just like almost like a kernel for a you know, that stuff you eat, popcorn. Oh man, oh fucker hurt. Remember, if you're gonna use home tools, make sure you sterilize them. I used bleach, cleaned it up a little bit. I didn't pull out my teeth, I pulled out half a tooth. So, yeah. Does that help? I'm not mental, because it was hanging there and it was irritating me. What do you want me to do? Leave it hanging there? Dentists are expensive. I can't afford a dentist. Oh man, that tastes much better. Yeah, I don't know what I popped that on, but I just noticed this afternoon I was eating dinner and just popped it. So that's how you pull out a tooth. Just man the fuck up and just yank the shit out of it. For a minute I thought I was gonna like right here and rip my gum, like go to the back of my mouth. I was starting to worry I can just feel it ripping and stuff. But yeah, I did pretty good. There was no blood, surprisingly. Oh, and the relief of it not being there anymore is great. I can feel a giant hole there now. Oh, well, it's in the back of the tooth. No one's gonna notice that. My teeth are fucked anyway because I can't afford a dentist. Fucking expensive as shit. Moral of the story is, see the dentist as most of it as you can. If you're on insurance or anything like that, go see that. And go to a learning dentist if you have before it's too late and it costs you more money in the long run. If not, get some pliers out. I recommend you to drink maybe. This might help even more because I pushed out a lot during the pull. If I just gave it one good solid tug, I would have been done in no time. Alright, thanks. Oh yeah, and this is Lewis.